Rumor has it that Sir Peter Jackson and the judges are searching for the biggest Hobbit fan. I am on a quest to find them, for I am the one they seek. I have loved the Hobbit trilogy for years and have shared its magic with my 3 children who are now grown. I've been on a long journey traveling through Hobbiton, Trollshalls, Rivendell, Mirkwood, Laketown, Dale, and Erebor, the Misty Mountains, and Daguldur. Middle-earth is breathtaking. My journey begins when Gandalf convinces Bilbo Baggins to accompany the dwarves, led by Thorin, to reclaim Lonely Mountain from the dragon Smaug. They have had confrontations with trolls and orcs, captured by goblins, giant spiders, wood elves, rescued by eagles and the elves, escaped in floating wine barrels. Bilbo Baggins obtained the One Ring from Gollum and the Arkenstone, a large, beautiful white gem, and from the Lonely Mountain, and he awakens the angry Smaug. Baird the Bowman has the last black arrow capable of killing the dragon, and he gives it to his son, Bane, to hide. Smaug is off now to Laketown. The evil orc army is marching to the mountain, and Gandalf is imprisoned by the necromancer. Now I must be off to discover the outcome of these unfortunate events. If you see Sir Peter Jackson and the judges, please tell them where I am headed, for I am the biggest Hobbit fan. I hope they will be searching for me as well.